to all my dear children. Children, in the last class, we have started a new lesson. Lesson number 6, My School. Before proceeding to the next part of this lesson, let us revise what we have learned in the previous class. Children, we learned why we go to school. We go to school because school is a place where we learn many new things. We learn to read and write, sing and dance, draw and paint. Our teachers help us to learn many new things. We should go to school every day. Our teacher gives us knowledge. This knowledge helps us to become great people. It helps us to become good citizens. Our school has many classrooms, a big playground, a garden. A school has a library, an activity room, a music room, a staff room, an office, the principal's room, a laboratory, and an assembly hall. Children, we learnt about classroom. A classroom is a big room where many children sit together and gains knowledge. The teacher teaches the children in the classroom. We should not fight with our classmates in the classroom and in the school. You share things with our friends. You keep your classroom neat and clean, and you must throw rubbish in the dustbin. See the picture of a classroom. Then comes assembly hall. A school has a big assembly hall. Assembly hall is the place where all the teachers and children stand together and start their day with a prayer. Some important meetings and functions are also held in the assembly hall. Now let's start next part of the lesson. Library. Children, school has a library also. We have a big library in our school. Books are arranged neatly in the library. Students sit and read books in the library. We should maintain silence in the library. So, children, a library is a place where different kinds of books are kept. You can read any kind of books in the library. Children, students sit and read books in the library, and we should maintain silence in the library. Can you see in the picture? This is a library where many different kinds of books are kept, and children are sitting and reading the books. Next comes playground. Playground is a very important place in the school where all the children can go and play with their classmates. My school has a big playground. We have slides, a seesaw, and a swing in our playground. We also play many games like football, basketball, and cricket in our games period. Games keep us fit and healthy. Children in the school, children not only gains knowledge but also play games to keep their body fit and healthy. Games teachers are there who helps the children to play different kinds of games and make them fit and healthy. My school has a big playground. What is there in the playground? We have slides, a seesaw, and a swing. We can also play many games like football, basketball, and cricket with our friends during the games period. So, children, study is very important, but playing games to make your body fit and healthy is also very important. Our school has an activity room where we learn music and dance, art and craft. Children, school has an activity room also where the children learn to play music, dance, and learn to make different arts and craft work. Next comes the principal's room. Children, principal is the head of the school. He always looks after the activities of the school. Our principal sits in his room. He is the head of the school. Our principal looks after all the activities of the school. Beside the principal's room, there is an office room. So, children, can you see in the picture? This is the picture of a principal's room. A principal sits in the principal room. He is the head of the school and looks after all the problems and activities of the school. And beside the principal's room, there is an office room. Office room is a place where all the office work of the school can be done. Next comes the staff room. There is a staff room where teachers relax during their free periods. We should always go to school with proper uniform. We look smart in uniform. We should be punctual to school. We should respect our teachers and elders in the school. So, children, a staff room is also there in the school. Staff room is a place where all the teachers can sit and relax during their free periods. Children, we learned many new things about school. We should always go to school with proper uniform because in a good and proper uniform you look smart and you should be punctual to school. You should go to school every day. Never miss your school and always learn to respect your teachers and elders in the school. Let us point out some important lines. A school is a place where we learn new things. We should keep our classroom neat and clean. Our teacher helps us to become good citizens. We should not fight with our classmates. We must throw rubbish in the dustbin. All important meetings and functions are held in the assembly hall. We play many games like football, basketball, and cricket in the playground. The principal is the head of the school. We should go to school with proper uniform. We should respect the teachers and elders in our school. So, children, a school is a temple for every child where he or she gains knowledge and shape their future. And teacher always helps them and guides them to become a good citizen. So, children, always learn good things and respect your teachers and elders. Thank you.